Meaning of gladiolus.
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 Gladiolus. Gladiolus is a genus of perennial bulbous flowering plants in the iris family. The name gladiolus originates from the Latin word gladius, meaning sword, as the leaves of the plant are long and narrow like swords. Gladiolus flowers typically bloom in mid to late summer, producing showy spikes of flowers in a wide range of colors, including pink, red, orange, yellow, and white. They are commonly used in floral arrangements and represent strength, integrity, and moral values due to the sword-like appearance of their leaves.